Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two quick disconnects. So this is Ulanzi. You got to press both of these buttons in order to get this to come on and off. And then to lock it, I'm going to move that button over to the left and now I can't press it. On this one, it's going to slide in from this direction right here. And now to unlock it, I'm going to press that button and it'll slide out. But once it slides in, it is stuck in there. I don't have to do anything else. Now to lock that button, I'm going to rotate that up and now I can't press it. Pull it, rotate it that way, now I can press it. All right, so here's what the bottom of each mount looks like. And then here's the top. This one rotates or slides a little bit. This one does not slide, it's stuck right in the middle. There's a little grippy material there. There's a little grippy material here. Okay, so say you have a tripod like this. These adapters fit in there. See the little cutouts? So I can just put that in the tripod like that, mount that. I don't have to screw it into the tripod. Now I can put this on and off. And even this part right here will fit into there. And I can screw that down. I don't have to screw it down. I can just tighten it down with the clamp both ways. So that is a pretty nice feature. Again, here's the mechanism. And again, this just snaps down in there. Quarter 20, quarter 20. Here, this one is slide. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.